skincare.
Okay.
And the evening care set.
Right.
So morning and night skincare. You don't look younger.
I don't think you look so young. You can't look any younger, dear. You're so young.
No, I see the aging. And I'm going to slow it down with Atomy.
All right.
And what else do I
Okay,
have
what's
here?
this? Okay.
Atomy Absolute Hair Care.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Hair
Okay.
care.
All right. Good.
And scalp care.
Oh, wow. Okay, good. Beautiful.
And oral care.
Oh, wow, it's a lot of care. Oh, you got the oral care.
The travel
yeah.
kit. So it has toothbrush, toothpaste. You were asking me about that.
Right.
And interdental brush.
Okay, good.
The pictures here. Oh,
Gotcha.
yeah, the toothbrush with the gold bristles.
Oh, wow.
To fight bacteria in your mouth.
Right.
And the toothpaste that has propolis in it to help fight bacteria in your mouth.
Okay, very good.
And this little brush to go in between the teeth to clean the teeth. Help prevent the plaque buildup.
Plaques, right.
And
what's that?
I think this is lip glow.
Okay.
It's like it's like clear lipstick.
For your lips, okay.
Yeah.
Well, your lips are all beautiful
Moisturize your
already.
lips. Moisturize your lips. Keep them nice and soft and plucked. Okay, and 24 karat gold night mask.
Oh, wow.
Did you know that minerals are good for your skin, including gold?
Oh, it's good, right? Okay.
Mineral,
Okay.
and it's good for your skin.
So that's a mask, you say, for night? For your face? Facial mask?
Yeah. But
good.
You put it on at night. It's really a cream, is my understanding.
Right.
But you let it sit overnight and let it do its nourishing thing all night long.
Wow.
This is it.
Oh, beautiful.
Right
Isn't it? Look at this. Look at this. Oh, great. Great.
Feels good.
Feels good? Okay,
yeah,
good.
I look forward to putting it on tonight. We'll see it before and after.
Well, the before looks good. I don't know how much better this can look.
What do you want? Well, that is my first order.
Oh, great. Congratulations.
Yeah, looking forward to trying the products out, using them. South Korea is really known for skincare.
Okay,
right?
yes.
I mean, it's the top in the world, I think, as far as skincare. They're very on top of keeping the skin as clear as possible, as smooth as possible, as young as possible. It's top notch in South Korea. This is where these products are made. So I'm looking forward to trying them out.
Using them, right. Good.
Yeah.
Good. So that's your first unboxing, is it?
My first unboxing, my first Atomy unboxing.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Doc. Okay.